One of the biggest items that is neglected in a blasting operation is the nozzle. It is a very important piece of the complete system in a blasting operation. When you size your system, you want to size your air compressor to what nozzle you're going to be using at the end of the blast hose. One of the tools that you can use to measure a nozzle is what we call a nozzle gauge. This tool simply has a pencil in the end. You mark it on the side as seen here. You want to insert the gauge in the entry point of the nozzle, give it a couple twists, and it will indicate where your sizing is on the gauge. And on this particular nozzle, it's a 3/8 inch, and it appears to be right on the money there. This is a brand new nozzle. Conversely, when you're measuring used nozzles, as we're going to demonstrate here with this 7/16 inch nozzle, as new, this nozzle is obviously been used. We're going to insert it in here, give it a couple of turns, and as indicated, this nozzle is almost worn to the next size to a 1/2 inch versus the 7/16 inch where it was brand new. This could make a big difference in terms of your CFM consumption, and if you are marginal on your air supply, this could cause a pressure drop at the nozzle, reducing the velocity of the abrasive going through the airstream at the exit point of the nozzle and reducing your productivity rate. So again, it's vitally important to make sure that your system is sized properly in terms of nozzle versus compressor, and also maintain the integrity of the nozzle when it needs to be changed out. Again, if you go wear the nozzle to the next size, and when you're marginal on your air supply, you could reduce your production rates.